Yeah, man, greetings everyone. Coming to you from beautiful Jamaica. It's July 5th, the first day after reopening after Hurricane Beryl. And this is the final video from that day. The highlight for this video for me is the departure of a A330. Do enjoy the video and thanks again a million for all the support you have been giving me. Stu is saying bless up.
American 2278, line up and wait, runway 07.
Wait, runway 07, American 2278.
Delta 1801, arrived 50. Exit next right, contact ground 121.7. 2278, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees at 14 knots.
Got 2278, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
2278, affirm, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
New clear wing 270, ready for takeoff, 07.
Wings 270, roger, line up and wait, runway 07.
Wait, runway 07, clear wing 270.
American 2278, airborne 53, over to radar 120.8. You have a great day.
American 2278. Boy, good.
6 November Juliet Tower, roger, standby departure, hold short 07.
Standing by, holding short, do that.
November Juliet, confirm your copied, hold short, runway 07.
Confirm.
270, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
07, runway 07, clear wings 270.
Zero 01, contact ground 121.7. November Juliet, line up and wait 07, intersection Delta.
Right, 07, do up here.
November Juliet, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 17 knots.
Section Delta 07, copy the window, up here.
270, airborne 54, contact radar 120.8 today.
80 wings 370.
0 Romeo Tower, roger, continue approach, runway 07. So 19057, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees at 19 knots. When airborne, contact radar 120.8 today.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, call departure airborne Delta 19057. 380 ready, reaching.
Blue 380, roger, line up 0807.
Wait, runway 7, JetBlue 380.
And JetBlue 380, wind 060 degrees 17 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 7, JetBlue 380.
By 370 Romeo, continue approach runway 07. W380, airborne 52, contact radar 120.8, good day.
At this point, JetBlue 380, see you.
Northwest 1042, wind 070 degrees at 18 knots, clear to land 07.
Runway 07, Southwest 1042.
For 2 arrived at 04. Ticket Bravo on ground 1217 when clear, good day.
Bravo point 7, Southwest 1042. West 916 on the RMP, runway 7.
Southwest 916, thanks to roger. Continue approach runway 07.
Continue Southwest 916. 1928, we're ready for departure.
So 1928, roger. Cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots.
Runway 7, Delta 1928.
916, wind is 070 degrees 16 knots, clear to land 07.
We're cleared to land 07 for Southwest 916.
1928 airborne now to 07, contact radar 120.8. Good day.
Late Delta 1928.
Southwest 916, arrive to 10, vacate Bravo, contact the ground 1217, wind clear of the runway.
Right turn on Bravo, contact 916.
To land runway 07, wind 070 degrees 16 knots.
Clear to land runway 07 Delta 1949.
Southwest 1115, Tower, good afternoon. Continue approach runway 07. You are number 1 for landing. Traffic now approximately 9 air miles. To the west, northwest are 2 Cessna 206. Both at same location, one 1300, another 1600.
Tower Westjet 4103, home short of 07 Alpha ready.
3 for Westjet, are you fully ready to go?
For Westjet 4103.
Roger, enter the runway, line up and wait for departure now.
Line for departure runway 07, Westjet 4103.
Delta 1949, arrive 15, vacate Bravo. Delta 1949, expedite the taxi to vacate Alpha, so again expedite.
Delta 1949.
No, November 2, left line for left base, 1500 feet, Bizarre to Romeo.
You are number 2 behind 370 Romeo, reach the follow pilot's discretion.
And 370 Romeo, drilling.
One 03, clear for takeoff 7, wind 070 degrees, 18 knots.
To take off runway 07, the Westjet 4103.
Southwest number 2, caution on the wake, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots.
So 1949, you want us to stay with you on Alpha?
You're now for 121.7, good day.
17 Delta 1949.
15, clear to land on 7, wind 060 degrees, 20 knots.
And 7 Southwest 1115.
Airborne 16, contact radar 1208, good day.
88, have a good day, Westjet 4103. Ready for takeoff.
Roger, hold your position, stand by departure.
Frequency for Westjet 4103.
120.8.
208, thank you.
Tower, Roger. First 1115, arrive 18, vacate Bravo, wind clear, ground frequency 1217.
Well, I think you'd be a Bravo, ground plate 7, good day, Southwest 1115.
Air Romeo, wind 070 degrees at 21 knots, clear to land on runway 07.
Land on runway 737.
arrived at time 20, vacate Delta, ground 1217. At wind 070 degrees, 20 knots, clear to land 7.
Clear to land 7, okay.
Beryl at 1217, good day.
1217, good day, okay.
Runway 00 tower, cleared for takeoff. Runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 17 knots.
So 1800, clear for takeoff, runway 7.
Tower, good day, can 2162 heavy on taxiway Alpha.
2162 tower, hello. Enter the runway, line up and wait for departure.
2162, entering the runway is approved. Unfortunately, the cabin needs some more minutes. Nevertheless, line up and wait, or should we wait in front of the runway?
162, hold short 07, call me when fully ready.
2162, hold short 07, will come.
0 airborne 25, contact radar 1208, good day.
1800, so long.
2162 heavy, ready for departure.
Two tower, cleared for takeoff. Runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots.
Under 2162 heavy, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, thank you.
For 2162, airborne 28, contact sangster radar 120.8, bye-bye.
120.8, contact 2162, bye.